Hi there, let's play along to Leadbelly's arrangement of Bring Me Little Water, Silvy. If you haven't looked at the tutorial, make sure you do that because we're just diving right in. It's the same progression, same melody for all the verses. So let's just go through it once and then we'll add on the lyrics. I start on A, find my thumb strum. We start on A, 2, 3, E7 on 4, back to A, 4, 2, E7, back to A, here we go. Bring me little water, Silvy, bring me little water now. Bring me little water, Silvy, every little once in a while. I mean it, every little once in a while. Don't you hear me calling? Don't you hear me now? Don't you hear me calling? Every little once in a while. I mean it, every little once in a while. Don't you see me coming? Don't you see me now? Don't you see me coming? Every little once in a while. I mean it, every little once in a while. You better bring me little water, Silvy. Bring me little water now. Bring me little water, Silvy. Every little once in a while. I mean it, every little once in a while. Once more. Bring me little water, Silvy. Bring me little water now. Bring me little water, Silvy. Every little once in a while. I mean it, every little once in a while. All right, short and sweet. Feel free to come on back, play with me anytime you need. If I was going a little fast, I know that thumb strum can be a challenge. Feel free to slow it down through the playback speed. That's the settings wheel, playback speed back to 0.75 usually slows it down enough, or even more you can do 0.5. Make sure you're playing through it on your own as well. See how much you can work through on your own and enjoy your practice. It's a fun one.